Hello, students! Welcome back to Easy English Practice. Today we have a funny story. This story will help your English listening. It will also help your speaking. How? We will use shadowing. Shadowing is easy. You listen, then you repeat. Listen to my voice. Copy my voice. Try to sound like me. This is good practice. It will make your English better. The story is about a woman. Her name is Elena. Elena works in an office. One day she hears her boss talking. She thinks he likes her. But is this true? Let's find out. Listen carefully, repeat after me. I will pause for you. Let's begin. Story, Part 1. It is Monday morning. I am at work. I hear my boss talking. He is in the break room. He says she is perfect. He says she is the one. My heart beats fast. Is he talking about me? He says more. I like her attitude. She is smart. She is kind. Oh no, my boss likes me. I think about last week. He smiled at me. He said, "Good job." He bought me coffee. Now I understand. That's why he's nice to me. That's why he remembers my birthday. This is like a movie. Story Part 2. I remember something. On Friday, he said, "We need to talk Monday." I thought about work, but maybe he will say he likes me. What will I do? I must tell someone. At lunch, I see Lisa. Lisa is my friend. I say, "Lisa, I think the boss loves me." Lisa looks surprised. "Really?" she says. "Yes," I say. "I heard him say it." He said, "I'm perfect." He said, "I'm the one." Lisa smiles. "Wow," she says. What will you do? Story Part 3. Then Sarah comes. Lisa tells Sarah, "Elena thinks the boss loves her." Sarah says, "What? Are you joking?" "No," I say. "It's true." Sarah says, "Oh my gosh. Maybe he will buy flowers." Lisa laughs. "Maybe he will sing to you." We all laugh. But I think, what if it's true? The girls talk more. He gave you a new chair. He helps you often. Now I'm more sure. This is really happening. Story Part 4. I get a message. It's from my boss. "Come to the conference room at 3 o'clock p.m. Oh no, this is it. Lisa says, "Good luck." Sarah says, "Be ready." I feel nervous. I feel excited. 2:58, 2:59, 3. I go to the room. My boss is there. He says, "Hello, Elena. Thank you for coming." He smiles. "I want to talk about your work. We are very happy. You are professional. We have a new position. I see a paper. It says promotion." What? Promotion? Not love? Story ending. You deserve this. We hope you accept. I say yes. Thank you. I leave the room. I feel strange. All this time. He meant my works, not love. I told everyone wrong. Lisa sees me. "Well," she asks. "It was a promotion," I say. "No love, just work." We laugh. Lisa says, "Next time, don't listen in break rooms." I say, "Next time, I will ask first." What a day. Lesson. This story is funny, but it teaches us something. Sometimes we hear wrong, we think one thing, but the truth is different. Elena heard her boss. She thought love, but he meant work. This happens in life. It happens in English too. We must listen carefully. We must ask questions. Don't guess too fast. This is why English practice is important. When your English is better, you understand better. You make fewer mistakes.